Hey everyone, Josh Diekman here with Land O'Lakes, and I'm excited today to talk to you about our Ultimate White Cheese Sauce. Now, our Ultimate White Cheese Sauce, if you're not familiar, comes in a shelf-stable pouch, just like all of our other sauces. 3 ounce equals 1 meat alternate, and 6 ounces equals this 2 meat alternates. Again, this is shelf-stable. And the reason why this is one of our favorite sauces is because there's so many things that you can do with this. Of course, it works great plain, which we're gonna show you here in just a minute, but with just a few simple ingredients, you can transform this sauce into any flavor you're looking for and also fit a wide range of applications and concepts. So let's get started talking about showing you some concepts with our Ultimate White Cheese Sauce. Okay, so as I mentioned, using this Ultimate White Cheese Sauce plain is a fantastic option to do, especially if you're looking for something with less labor and less time and less touch points. Using this sauce plain works great. Of course, using it plain as just a cheese sauce works fantastic, but also works great as a pasta sauce. Alfredo sauce, for example, right out of the pouch, this makes a great Alfredo sauce. So really simply, just right out of the pouch, I have Ultimate White Cheese Sauce. I have it directly out of the pouch. I heated it up to 165 in the steamer, and I dumped it out here for easy portioning for the video. So I'm used here, I have a 6 ounce portion, and I'm gonna take my 6 ounce portion of the hot cheese sauce, and it's just going to roll right on top. And there is basically as simple as it gets for a fettuccine Alfredo, or for an Alfredo. I'm using penne today. So penne Alfredo, real simple, real easy to do, just like that. Now, if you are interested in making it a little more authentic Alfredo, if you will, or adding a little more flavor to it, there's just 2 simple ingredients to do it. So real simple here, I just have some Parmesan cheese, some grated Parmesan, that's going right into my Ultimate White. And this recipe is available at landolakesfoodservice.com with all the ratios and everything to use for this. And of course, all the nutritionals are there as well. So I have my Parmesan, grated Parmesan. It's going right into the sauce. And then just some garlic powder or granulated garlic. That's it. 2 simple ingredients. And what this does, now with this sauce, it's such a nice balanced sauce that whatever I add to this, it really takes on a lot of those flavors. So here I'm adding Parmesan and garlic. I could add chipotles. I can add almost anything, and it's gonna just take on those flavors fantastically. So from there, I just mix it in, and that's it. And I have my Alfredo sauce. And this Alfredo sauce, because of the balance of this, really stands up to any Alfredo sauce that I've ever made from scratch. So really easy option. Now, if you're looking at it and you want to add some more flavor or color to this, you know, some Italian seasoning would work really well. Red pepper flakes is also something that can really kind of kick it up as well. But that's it. Just real simple, and it melts in really nice. And I can almost smell that garlic right now. It's coming out really nicely with this. So let's say you want to get that flavor profile, but you don't have the time or labor to mix those ingredients in and make sure they're mixed properly. There's an easy way to do this, and it's really kind of fun, and it opens up a lot more applications than just fettuccine Alfredo. And to be honest with you, it's easier to do. So what I have here is I have 3 different penne pastas. Got 2 ounce equivalent grain in this, and I'm going to be doing 6 ounce portions over here, so it meets my 2 grain and my 2 meat alternates. So what I'm going to do here is I have my plain Ultimate White Sauce. The reason I'm using these containers here is these ones here can go right in the oven. They can be sent home. They can be heated. Very simple. If you're interested in heating instructions for that, please let us know and let us know what container you're using. Otherwise, if you use a microwave safe container, they can be taken home and put in the microwave just as easily. So these are very nice, very easy to make up ahead of time. They can also be held warm in your warmer for service as well. So I have my plain Alfredos here. So what I'm gonna do is I just have shakers full. So for example, in this shaker here, I have my grated Parmesan and garlic already mixed together in this shaker, and I added a little Italian seasoning just to give it some color. And all you need to do then is just shake it right on top on either an assembly line fashion or to service or to order. So what you can see here is it gives it a really nice color, and now the presentation looks fantastic, and you can easily get these served. Now I'm using salt-free seasonings. Depending on what you use, obviously it can affect your nutritions, but depending on what you use, it's probably not too much. So that's the one that gives this same flavor profile as the one where we added the ingredients to it. But you can get creative with whatever you have in your pantry. For example, here's some lemon pepper seasoning. For this one, again, looks really nice and simple. Here I have some Cajun seasoning. Now I have a Cajun fettuccine, Cajun Alfredo. And I just have some taco seasoning that I had in the pantry as well. And now I have a taco. So as easy as this is, if these are on the line or in the service, I have 4 different Alfredos and I just have 1 pouch that I opened up. So very simple, very easy to use, and a good way to utilize the Ultimate White in an easy take-home fashion. Okay, so that was our Alfredo sauce and pasta sauce. And again, there's so many different things you can add to that to really boost up anything you want with this sauce. So check out our website at LandO'LakesFoodservice.com for all the other applications we have with this. But also, you can use this cold. So things like pasta salads and chicken salads, a lot of people don't think of that, but I eat cheese cold all the time. So having this cold on wraps and sandwiches is a fantastic option to use this as well. For example, I'm making a pasta salad here, and really you want to treat it just like you would a mayo, for example. I'm using this instead of mayonnaise because I can keep this meat free, but also get that meat alternate with it. So what I'm doing here is taking it right from the shelf. Again, it's shelf stable, but once I make this, I'm going to want to refrigerate it. So just like I would mayonnaise, if I'm opening up a fresh jar of mayonnaise, making a pasta salad with it, the pasta salad, everything goes in the fridge after that. So basically what I have here is I have some pasta, and I have our room temp shelf stable cheese sauce, and I'm just going to be adding it to this. Now this is kind of a conceptual thing just to kind of show you how this works. We do have some great pasta salad recipes on our website as well, so please again check that out. So what I'm working on with here then is I'm going to be adding some red onion, diced red onion. I have some diced red pepper, and I have some broccoli. The broccoli gives it some great color and gives it some really nice texture. And really I just get from here, just kind of mixing it all together until I have that nice sauce. And now again, because this is shelf stable, it really kind of folds really nicely. So the viscosity of this works really well, and it just mixes up very easy. Again, chicken salad is a great one. We have a curry chicken salad recipe on our website. Make sure you check that out. 3-ingredient queso pasta salad. There's just so much. And once you open up the possibilities of using this right from the shelf without heating it up first, it really opens the doors to a lot of other recipes. Okay, and there's our pasta salad, just real simple and easy to do. And what's nice about this, it's a nice size portion size. So about 1.5 cups, I have it with my whole grain here. About 1.5 cups gives you those 2 equivalent grains and the 1 meat alternate with this. So again, great portion size. Okay, again, cold on sandwiches and wraps, another great option that you can do with this. I'm choosing to do a wrap here today, but again, on a roll, on a hoagie, sliders, whatever you want to do. So what I have here is I have a whole grain wrap here, or whole grain tortilla, and I'm going to be adding our cheese sauce. This is again from shelf stable direct, okay, just like with this like the pasta salad, and I'm going to be adding it to here. And again, we have these recipes with nutritionals and stuff online. This one here is conceptual, but there's a lot of great options that you can do with this as well. So I got our cheese sauce here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to be adding our vegetables just cold, nice clean cold. And you can use, of course, whatever vegetables you want to do. You want to add a type of pico to this, or peas, or snap peas, or any vegetable will work with this, and that's the beauty of this. Broccoli is a great one as well. So then I'm adding some red peppers, and to give us a nice color, some green peppers. And again, whatever you're trying to reach for your vegetable count to this, and meat alternate is simply what you use. So again, that's all you're gonna do. And I'm just gonna wrap this together. And what that cheese sauce is going to do is it's going to bring all that vegetable and balance it all in, and really give it a really nice mouthfeel. And as you can see, it's just a really great looking wrap. Now you serve this with the side of fruit or whatever you need to serve it with, and it's really nice. Nice vegetable wrap, again, sandwiches. And this is also something you can do hot, kind of like a vegetarian Philly wrap or something like that if you want. So that's our Ultimate White cheese sauce in just a couple cold applications. But again, this opens the door to a lot of different possibilities. Okay, so that was just a couple quick ideas you can do with this Ultimate White Cheese Sauce. Again, there's so many different applications and recipes you can do this, from hot to cold, to soup, to chilies, to cheese sauces and pasta sauces, and a ton more. Again, check out our website, landolakesfoodservice.com. But also, if you are interested in how these can fit your current scenario, or ways that we can do more grab and go or send home options, please reach out. We'd love to work with you and partner with you on ways that we can help you use the product in the most efficient manner that you can. So thank you very much. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us. We're happy to help in any way that we can. Thank you.